Beach season has finally begun. This is my second trip to Belmar Beach in probably the past 10 days, and this is therapeutic for me. It's about 90 degrees with a nice ocean breeze. The sand is really hot, and I'm about to go dunk my feet in this cold ocean water. Come with me. Yeah, this sand is hot. So that's why I have on these flip-flops. But even with these flip-flops, the sand is hot. But such a gorgeous day to be at the beach. The ocean breeze makes it bearable. See everybody standing on the periphery. But there's people in all the way down. There's a lot of college students here and high school students. Okay, ready? Off come the sandals. And I took my keys out of my pocket this time. Years ago, I accidentally went in the water with my key fob. I went in the water with my key fob, and I had to let it dry out for an hour or two before we could return back to Philly. Okay. That came in higher and harder than I thought. Okay.